All right, so now we have to complete each table looking at the recursive pattern. So we're counting and looking at the same numbers. So to go from 2 to 4, I added 2. But to go from 4 to 8, I didn't add 2 anymore. So I have to think, well, how can I go from 2 to 4 and then also go from 4 to 8? I think, oh, maybe instead of adding 2, I could times by 2. So times by 2, and then 4 times 2 is 8. 8 times 2 is 16. 16 times 2 is 32. And then I go 32 times 2. And you can use a calculator if you need to, but that would be 64. And then 64 times 2, write it out or use a calculator. That's 128. Same thing here, 128 times 2 is going to be 256. So just looking in these tables that you'll see, you're either adding or subtracting the same number or multiplying or dividing the same number. So looking at this, I notice first the numbers are going to go down. So I could either subtract or divide. So I'm going to try subtracting. Go from 66 to 15. Well, that's minus 16. 50 minus 16. You can check that with a calculator to just double check. Yep, I got 34. So I'm just going to keep subtracting 16. So I go 18 minus 16 gave me 2. Then just keep subtracting 16. So 2 minus 16, negative 14. And then negative 14 minus 16 is negative 30. Then negative 30 minus 16, I got negative 46.